Chris, Alex, and Dan. And we are here to present to you math as a service. Why do math on your computer when you can just make a bunch of requests and have that math done for you? So as we all know, there is huge interest in microservices. And microservices are the future. This very famous COO is saying that microservices will just be services because everything will be microservices. Companies are adopting microservices like crazy. 90% of companies want to use microservices. This is a huge, important business thing. Microservices, the future is here. So we built math as a service in the RESTful service architecture. It's a Python 3 application, and it's in full RESTful semantics. It's powered by Flask, MySQL, and Pewee. We have Swagger docs, and it supports almost 3 full types of operand, floats, and integers. It is more accurate than a 3rd grader. Why? We need to separate our concerns. Computers absolutely hate math. We can run this in Kubernetes. And how small should a microservice be? Trick question. Nothing is too trivial, otherwise all of the other tech companies will just laugh at you. And you don't want to get that tricky algebra in your business code. Like, you have software developers doing that. They want to handle these nice, clean HTTP requests. They don't want to touch numbers. Math is also really, really hard. This is real scientific data from a real study about quantitative literacy in the United States. It's not great. And this has huge economic impact. In fact, it's not just a problem in the United States. Math anxiety is prevalent all around the world. Equations like this cause massive anxiety, especially to elementary schoolers, but also to adults. This creates this horrific feedback cycle where people just get worse at math. This is a problem, and we are going to solve it. And this problem has been around for a while. In fact, it took these 2 guys they are pretty smart guys. It took them 360 pages to prove that 1 + 1 = 2. So this is where we were in 1913. But it is 2017 right now. Oh yeah, this is what it looked like. Who has time to deal with that? We can do this in just 7 API calls. Math as a service. It's 2019, the future is here. And this is a huge, 360 down to 7, this is a huge improvement in efficiency. And in fact, math as a service can in fact tell you that 360 is bigger than 7. So, how does this work? Math expressions can be evaluated in just 7 requests. This might seem absurd, but we'll explain how this happens. First, we have to post that we're going to make this expression to our databases. Then we post our operand, our operator, and our other operand. We post that we are going to make an evaluation. Then we get to trigger an asynchronous evaluation because we want to be able to still do your math if there's other math in the way. And an answer comes out, and then we ask for that result of our evaluation. It's pretty simple. Now let's have a demo.
So we try a live demo here. They always go great. Alright, so we'll start here. We'll create an expression. We're going to do expression 260. What's up? Nice. Okay. So then we take that expression and we're going to plug in an operand here. So we'll do 1, and this is going to be the first part of the operation. Rather. We're going to create an operator. I do that. This will be ranked 0 as well. Okay, great. Create our second operand here. All the types are 4. We don't actually remember what the type was supposed to be in the spec, so we're keeping them all as 4. All right, so at this point we have 1 + 1 for expression 260. So now we're going to say, all right, that's good. We're going to evaluate it. So we've got an evaluation ID now. So that's being 71. right, grab that. Great, so that was, that was quick. There's no other math in the way, so now we have a result ID. Just, this is sort of a vanity endpoint, but now we can kind of...
I think you want
expression. Yes, all right. Whoops. Oh no.
What's the,
We'll get the evaluation ID, right? 71. There we go.
Wait for it. That's just showing you what we're going to do.
Yeah, it's just in case you miss and check your math.
Which you'll never have to do again.
So, oh no. Oh, we need the result ID, sorry. Result ID 76. There we go. Oh, we're not done yet. Oh, sorry.
So now that you've seen our product in action, we're going to tell you how math as a service is a sustainable business. We will replace all hard math by 2024. And with our paid plans, we will definitely be profitable. We will have customizable order of operations, because PEMDAS is just not good enough for the future. We will also have emojis as operators for Taylor series, because we know you all got traumatized by that in calculus class, so you're going to have emojis. We also have high availability managed math offerings, and we have the ability to make this an on-prem technology, so you don't have to worry about others copying your math. After all, your IP is your most valuable resource. So we are now accepting seed round funding. Please contact us. And thank you, Stupid Shit Hackathon.